Saturday, November 12th. And we're busy. That's a good thing. And lots of people shopping and buying gifts and getting things to knit and crochet to make gifts. So I'm staying on my gift theme. And I've shown these to you a while back, but I'm going to show you again because once again, these would make amazing gifts. So I have these fabulous pin cushions that were made by this lovely woman, and she lives down in Florida, and I get them. Her daughter brings them to me, and we have them here in the shop. And they're all made, stitched together by hand, and they're fantastic. So I wanted to remind you what I had. They are all $25. Yep, they're all $25. So this is all hand done, so cute. This is a little sewing machine, love it. You can stick pins everywhere, so cute. They are gonna be in a cellophane bag like this with a little string on it. And it makes a lovely house gift or stocking stuffer, whatever you want. So don't forget the sewing machine. And then we have one snail. I think he is amazing. Big fat snail. All of these are pin cushions. Love what she did there. Then we have, speaking of birthdays mine coming up, we have a piece of birthday cake, right? Or a piece of cake, maybe Boston cream pie or something. So cute, again, all spongy and perfect for pin cushion. We have a number of overstuffed chairs. They are adorable, so cute. And last but not least, these boots, these Bavarian boots with the appliqued flowers on the side. And the heels, look, she even stacked the felt and made them have, the detail is amazing. Anyway. So cute, nice gifts. These they stuff all over with pins. If you have a seamstress in your life, or if you're one and you need one, call us. We would love to do it. Also on the gift theme, we have put together in a kit what we call taking care of your fibers and fabrics. So in here is the Friend Sheep company that does all of the felted dryer balls, etc. These are beautiful felted flowers. So the kit is a special price because priced individually, they're much more expensive. So I have flowers in pink, yellow, red, and purple. So the flowers like this, you could stick this in a vase. You could drop, and then included in your bag is an essential oil. Right? So you drop a few drops of essential oil on the flower or on your leaves, put this in a vase, put it in your guest bathroom or your bathroom or next to the bed in your guest room or your room and have that lovely wafting scent whenever it happens, or bend the stem, slip it in your undie drawer or anywhere else that you want to smell delicious. And not only do you get the oil and the flower, you also get a cedar square to put into your knitting bags or your drawers to protect your sweaters from moths. So we have included, our essential oil is tea tree oil, which is a natural moth proofer. So we've given you the cedar for the moth proofing and the flower. So it's a little moth proofing kit, and you get it all for $19.95. Where if we purchased it individually, it would be over $26. So a nice gift for a friend or for yourself, right? So cute with a nice bow. All right, those are my thoughts for today. It's 5:30 and it's getting dark. It's crazy. It's a different scene in the wintertime. You have to talk yourself into it. You got to go home. I turn on all the lights and pretend it's daylight, right? So anyway, it's hard to stay awake sometimes, but anyway, it's good. It's good. Life goes on, right? Every day's a great day because we're all here above ground and still enjoying life. I think those are my thoughts for today. Sunday is tomorrow, prayerful, peaceful. I hope you maybe get a project or two done. If not, just enjoy the day. Enjoy the day. I plan to. All right, I will see you on Monday. Ticking down to my big B day on Sunday. All right, I'll see you day after tomorrow.